So this is the second session. So let us share your screen, please.
Okay.
So like I said, let me just continue that quickly. So to be able to help you correctly and to focus only on the things that you are taking, then you have to share with me what you are studying, not only the exercises, because again, the language is quite huge, but
Yes.
certain things they will not give to you. So this means that it is not in the syllabus that you will be asked for. So you have to let me know the boundaries. In your
I
case,
see.
like when I'm teaching for other classes, we have a fixed syllabus. Like if you hear about IGCSE or even the AB College Board, the American syllabus for computer science, so I have always a fixed syllabus that I'm referring always to. But in your case, no. So you need to always update me with what you are taking in the slides that
Okay.
you're using, so I'm aware where to focus with you. Okay. So
Yes.
and
So
also if you see the ethical part, so if I tell you something that they tell something different in the slide, uh, they use a different method, so it will clearly be not confusing to the instructor why you use different methods. So
yes, you're right.
it's
You're right.
better to focus only on what you are taking. So now let's continue. So what you need to, so this string can print all the variables that you have here in a way that is readable. So it means that you have to format the string in a readable way. So we can do that by doing what? Let me think. So you can try to format it as a string and so do you know how to create a string inside the inside Python?
Yes, a string inside Python. Yeah.
Okay. So did they tell you how to use how to define an employee class? Is it part of the requirement?
What do you mean?
So okay, now you're defining an employee class,
Yes.
right? So did they is it part of the exercise to really define the class and then pass it variables and then
Yeah.
try?
So after all this code, I'm supposed to pass. Here I can copy it right here. From here. All right. Do you see all of those right there?
Yes.
So
That's
that's what we're supposed to pass through.
okay. So let me see. What they call it? Yeah. So when they print, so you see, on line 33.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. When they print, let me see if I'm able to. No, I don't think I'm able. Yeah. When they print, okay. Yeah. So here, okay. So
Uh-huh.
when you print like that E1,
Uh-huh.
it will get the variables that you passed here,
Uh-huh. From here.
and it will return. It will print it as a string. So so we have to look at meaningful way, and we have to create a string here. So before return, we can write maybe uh, string str,
Uh-huh.
and then we put equal, and then you format a string with the variables. So you say employee name. We have employee named like that, with the ID like that, with a birthday like that, with a birth month like that.
Uh-huh.
So then you have to put all the variables here. Uh,
Okay.
and so did you get what I mean?
I do. So let
Can
me
you
see.
try? Huh? No.
Um,
I mean, so if you're going to use the return directly, then you just put you put double quotation and you start. But I prefer that you put it in a variable first. So before return, make an enter. Yes.
okay, yeah, 1 second.
Okay.
So a variable you said?
Yes, create a variable.
I'll just do that for now.
Okay. And then I want you to say, okay, employee name, and then get the variable name.
Okay. So name.
Name.
Uh-huh.
Name, but name is a string, right?
Did you want me to set it to
So you
like
have to
this?
put, so yes, you can put, yes, you can use it like that. Yes, between double quotation. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And then I want you to do what? To concatenate. So attach to it.
Uh-huh.
Let me see. So you put self dot name.
Plus self dot name.
Yes. Okay. Can you try to run the code and see? No, I mean return the string. Sorry, you have to return the string. Yeah.
Return string.
Okay. Now run.
Oh. One, three, six, take.
No, it will not accept. You have to push. You have to indent
Oh yeah,
cells.
you're right. You're right. I didn't even see that. You're right.
Just put any print under it, or even, yeah. No, I mean, so I mean, it was correctly indented. You have to put it back.
Okay.
But since you didn't continue
Oh,
yet,
I
so
didn't put anything after. Okay, yeah, you're right.
yes, just print it. Leave it like that. It's
Okay.
empty. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now run.
1 second.
Okay. Let's another if statement. Where is that? Which line? 23.
Oh, okay, sorry. Employee.id is not.
Where is that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Line 19.
Dot birth underscore month.
Is it age is returning something?
Age equals self dot.
No. Okay.
Month is that. Birth month is right there. Did I not put here? Self dot birth underscore month equals birth month. Let's see. Okay, so it started it and then there's another error. Let's see. It says
Lines 24.
yes. 24 and 44.
Okay.
24 and then 44 at the bottom.
So, okay, 44. You are trying to get something out, but it's not. So again, I would say just comment everything under 44. Let's first look at the current.
Under 44.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, now run.
All right, let me see. Okay.
So can you see now what is coming out from the E1 start of the class demo? Okay, yeah. So first, yeah, first let us have a look first. You can see here, let me see here. So this is actually the output of what you have done here. Okay.
Okay.
So and again, but you mixed name with the David. You didn't put space, so we have to format everything properly. So
Okay.
so if you put space and you run again, or you put colon, or
Okay. Should I just do name is?
yes, exactly. But we have to check the format what they are giving, if they are giving some format
Okay.
for having the output. But
Let me see. All right. But this does answer the question that I had though. Okay. Gotcha.
okay, so now you understand how
I
this can be
do. I
done.
do.
Okay,
So if
okay.
you want, we can look at the HA1 now.
Okay, so you don't have any other questions here?
Not with this.
That's
No.
all? Okay.
Yes.
I would say what else? What else before I leave? Yeah. So do you know, did they explain to you what is the difference where this so do you know that this is public variables? Are you aware of that?
What do you mean? You said what is public variables?
Did he explain to you about private variables and public variables in classes, or not yet?
Not yet.
Okay, perfect. So just, yeah, leave it like that. So again,
So also what I was gonna say is before next time we meet, I'll make sure to send you because I did send the syllabus, but I'll make sure to send you like the chapters and all of the
yes,
PDFs. And
yes,
yes,
the syllabus, I mean, the chapters does, the syllabus does not tell anything about the chapters itself, right?
yes.
It
So
the
no,
content
it
is
doesn't.
different.
So every week he uploads a new thing. So I'll make sure I'll upload a folder before next time we meet.
Yes, so yes, like that I am able to prepare exactly where we need to shoot,
Perfect.
and we save time.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's go to the assignment, as assignment.
Okay. Do you want me to stop the sharing?
No, I would like to see first what you have done, and then we will start from there. So you will upload what you have done to me, and then you go with me and tell me where exactly you need help.
Okay, so this is what I was saying. I didn't get to start that one because I was working on this.
Okay. So you didn't start at all. Okay.
No.
So okay, perfect. Then let me share my screen then.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I have gone through this. So I would say you know already that you need to rename things. So just simple things. I will try to overgo it.
Yes.
And
I just need like the like
yeah.
how like explain explanation and then that should be able to help me when I do it myself.
Okay. So let me maybe go through the spec. So you can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So he basically, I would say that this guy already give you two dictionaries here. So
Yes.
items dictionary and the
Uh-huh.
cards. Okay. You have to build the item dictionary from the template text that he's giving to you as a I think as a list, if I'm not mistaken,
Uh-huh.
at the start of the file that the application file that he shared. He shared two files, one utility,
Yes.
one application. Okay, so you have to build this, and this card will be initialized as empty dictionary. Okay,
Okay.
And so, yes, we say that item dictionary will be populated with a list of clauses at the beginning of the program. And yeah, we already said that. And so you, in the item dictionary, you will create a key as the item ID. Let me see where he write it here. The structure is named except that the value is contain. No, wait, it's not here. I think it's mentioned somewhere, but so let me go, as I think we might have example here so that we are able to talk properly here. Okay, so that is what actually you are somehow given. So you are given an ID for the product. You are giving the product name, which is jacket in this case, and the price. And then you will use that ID of the product as an ID for the dictionary, items dictionary. So inside item dictionary, you will create a list of the clause or the products, and then this will be the key. And all this will be the values.
Okay.
Okay. So this will be a list, but you will not put it as a string here, required to be a list. Okay. And it's more easier for you to be a list because then you're able to use it programmatically in a proper way.
Okay.
So, and then when you print it, you have to put dashes in between. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's one thing. So he requires. Okay, so that is the most important thing here. Okay. So here he asks you to import the function from your utility file. So the utility file will contain all this function, and he already defined it for you, and he already write comments on what you need to do actually. So okay, let me see. I would start to let me see now how to start. So build dictionary, actually it take the items dictionary and build how to say a dictionary out of it. Like I said to you, it will take the ID as a key and the rest will be a list.
Okay.
Okay. And then we go through checkout. It will take a cart, but I'm not sure if this is the correct way to do it. Would you like to go through the coding a bit, or we go a little bit?
Sure.
Okay. Because if we keep talking theoretical part, then
yeah, I see. Yeah.
So let us try to run here and see what is the issue, and then from there we. So here is not printing anything. So I think this is not part of what is required because that's for a book. So I would say, if I were you, I will typically start this way, print maybe here user input. Okay. I'm not sure why is it not running. Are we wait. Let me see. Sorry. We have to. Yeah, I forgot that. So okay. So do you notice what is happening?
So while it doesn't equal, Yeah, it's gonna keep going since you didn't put any
And you didn't put
condition.
anything. So it will, the
Yeah,
while will keep repeating, right?
yeah. It's just there's nothing there.
Okay. So I will go copy here what this guy already put for us to print. So okay, and this guy asks us to print a few things. So what we need to do here is that we just copy them. So I even can do that to do it fast. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Pop, pop. So can you see what is appearing now? So that actually matches exactly what the guy is requiring us to do.
Okay.
Okay. So the trick here is that first, when you define user input, it is not quit. There is some trick here that you need to
Okay.
be just aware of. That so you are expecting one and or two or three
Okay.
here. Yeah, the user should input something. Okay, so
It's
he can put an integer. Anything come out of input is actually a string. So
yes.
even if you put one, also you have to convert it, right? But then he might put quit, and then if you try to convert quit to an integer, this will give you an exception and it will fail.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay, so then we need to think of a way that we are able to check first if what is he's putting is a number or not. Okay,
Okay.
so there is a function that can do that for us, and
Is
it's
it
called
type?
is digit.
Okay.
So we are able to say if okay dot is digit. Let me see digit. If it is true, then we can do something. So you have to let me see. Let me see. If it is digit, what should we do? Should
So
we convert that? We say
so
option num equal integer. Should we do like that?
so wouldn't it? Let me think.
Hmm. Tell me.
And then would you want to do another one for string?
Uh, String. I mean, so see, if it is a digit,
Yes. Then it's true. Okay.
if it is a digit, it means that it's not a string, right?
Yes.
So let's try to run and see. So I would always try to. So let me see. Let me see. This guy does not accept that it's possible that we filled the indent. Yeah, we are able to run. Okay, so if we put, let me see, if we put, let's put 10,
Uh-huh.
but we should print something. We should print, So that way, so I know for sure that that he entered 10, okay? And then I want to, so I want to test if I put quit, will it quit?
Okay, I see.
So if I put quit, it will never goes here.
Yeah, because this isn't a digit.
Yes,
Okay.
but still if I
So,
put
but
quit,
could you
it
just
doesn't exit.
could you do another if statement? So if option underscore input equals quit in strings, then
Yes, but wait, wait. I want you just to notice something, that
yes,
you already here having that specific condition.
yes, but that's when it's not equal to quit.
If it is not equal to quit, it will come to run again. But
Yes.
if it is equal to quit, what will happen? The while loop will exit.
Okay, but don't you said we want it to show quit, right? Like on the screen?
Yes, we wanted to show quit on the screen. It's true. Yeah. But
Okay.
let me try to think. So actually, wait. We should put here user input like that, shouldn't we? Actually, this is makes more sense. So because if we do that, then so now let me try to run. If I put 10, it will print 10. If I write quit, it exits.
Oh,
So you see,
I do see. So that whole while loop you set up, if it is equal to quit, it's just not gonna do the whole
run
function.
again. So it will just yeah it will not run the whole thing.
Okay, that makes
Okay.
sense.
So okay, now we have to build. Uh, so like I'm doing now, I'm just trying to give you the whole picture. So now we would like to do, I mean, that's how I'm thinking. First thing I would like to do is to write an if statement that can check the input here, if it is 1 or 2 and 3, and do some calling for different function based on the input. So I would
Yes,
say,
if
so
user input equals one.
so yes, if option num equal 1, it will do something.
Yes. So then from there, if
L
it's
if it is let me see here, if it is equal to, it will do something.
okay, that makes much more sense now.
Okay, and
So basically, based off of each number we pick, we're gonna be able to do more choices from there.
yes,
Gotcha.
yes. So that is how I build the structure of the menu. And then okay, I also would like to, so see, you always cannot control what the user inputs. Okay,
Yeah.
so it is smart, although it's not written there, but you see, if the user put 10, okay, this doesn't make sense that you just leave it to me. It doesn't make sense
Yeah,
that
I
you just
see.
leave it like that.
I
So
see. I see.
I would say you see elif,
Uh-huh.
and then you put option none like that. Okay, if it is smaller than 1,
And then
or
greater than
or
1 and less than 3, right? Okay,
no,
gotcha. Yeah. Uh-huh.
I mean, so we need to know if the user input something that is still a digit. So we have to stop here, we have to enter again.
Oh, okay. I see what you did now.
So you
Oh,
have to,
okay. I
yeah,
have to do it again. Okay, gotcha.
yes.